Wait, what's going on here? What are we doing?
We're reattaching a resistor that fell off.
Reattaching a resistor. That's the resistor?
Yeah.
It fell off in this Ford F-350, the console display, and I'm holding that tiny little resistor that I'm pointing to with this little tool, and Nick is gonna touch it with the soldering iron. Go ahead. And all we're trying to do is get a little spot of solder on there. Okay, is it on?
Yep.
All right, so we already attached this one, and this one was loose. This one right here was only hanging on one side. And which one was it?
Right here.
This one right.
No, to your right of that one.
This one. This one right back here was loose. When I took it apart, this one fell into my hand. This one up here, one of these was loose and this thing was stuck up, and then this one we went and found on the floor of the truck. These tiny little pieces. So now we got to go check and see if this actually did any good. Well, here we are back in the truck, and Nick's gonna plug it in. That console display is up here, so he's gonna plug it in, and we're gonna turn the truck on and see what happens.
There's that.
All right, you ready? Here we go. Anything? Maybe you have to turn it on. Do I have to turn it on?
Nope.
Oh, ha ha ha!
It is back on.
I pushed the button. Hold on, what else does it say? Here's the button.
Try the other
Average miles per gallon. This button, 345 miles to empty, 63 degrees. Look at that, Nick, we fixed it.
Yep, it's back working.
There you go. Good job, good job. All right, now we gotta figure out how to put this thing back together.